Why business? Then not turn on.
Tubani.
Ah, Tubani. Okay. Hey. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, so today I'm in Yeji, and Yeji can be found in the Bono East region in the center of Ghana. So this town is very popular because one of the oldest towns in Ghana, and also it's popular because of the fishing business they do over here. The lake that separates the central parts of Ghana and the northern part of Ghana is called the Water Lake. It's very big and wide. So I'll be posting a full documentary on that, so make sure you subscribe so that I don't miss that episode. So since Yeji is a neutral ground, there's a lot of fishermen from all over Ghana that works over there. For that reason, it has been the leading of smoked fish and salted fish, especially catfish. So in this video, you'll be seeing how fish is being displayed on the market day. Man, this is really interesting. A lot of fish. So I hope you like this video. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you subscribe so that we don't mix anything. Let's enjoy. I record one. Today is Sunday and it's fish market day in Yeji. We have traders from all over Ghana, especially Techiman, Kumasi and those from the northern sector who come here to buy fish and take them to their region to sell. Sundays and Mondays is very busy in Yeji because Sunday is for the fish and Monday is for yam and corn. So since the lake is just near the market, they do smoking of the fish at the market. Man, I was damn happy to see Yeji because I've been hearing this name for ages and today is my first time being here. I love it. Here is known to be a city of fish. They smoke fish, they fry fish, they make salted, what do you call it, fish like kako and kobi and all those stuff. Behind me is catfish, okay? They smoke some catfish and very big ones. See how they look. And not only catfish, they have different kinds of fish as well. What we see? And this is the owner. Everyone say. Have you seen here? Layers. Hey, we your friends saying. We tuna and I tuna then Where then It's some non beer. Wow. Super. Ah, okay, super. Okay. Wow, interesting. It's where you been? No, where you been? No, I was saying. I was saying, boy, inside, maybe I'm here. Every inside, I'm here. I want to. Okay, it's a family thing. So she and the auntie and the grandmama are in charge of this what do you call it, fish and the chicken. Right? Chicken. Wow. Wow. But we are cook. Wow, we are pork. Okay. Wow. Now that I can wire ready, sir. I'm gonna do your home. Okay. Then I'm back saying, and I'm turn back. And to whom one ton. Okay. Yeah. So basically, she grades this fish for the sellers. So when the fish comes, she will do it and do come for it. So she doesn't sell it. So they have different varieties of. And look at how they are arranging the meat. This catfish. Hey, no, super pool. Hey, what are you doing? We are torn the canteen. I'm a torn canteen. Okay. Monton 1-1. Okay. Okay, so this basket is going to Kumasi
So they don't sell it in a single fold. They sell the whole basket. So if you want some, you have to say, oh, look at that catfish over there. Eee. Wow. Wow. And this also kako. Super. Wow. So you see the salt in the fish. Of the fish has been salted already. So this is the Yeji Lake. It's very broad. So when you cross, you go to the water side, and the upper side over here goes to Tamale and the northern part of Ghana. So it's like it's a division. Anyway, the lake is dividing the place into two. Wow. So as I keep saying, this place is known to be Kobe land and catfish land. So you see all the fish over here, Kobe, catfish, tuna, super, like just name it. Any fish that you know, just name it. Yeah, interesting place. For that reason, fish over here doesn't cost that much. Yeah, interesting view. I'm loving the atmosphere. Like we have all sorts of tribe over here doing business.
Yeah, so that's it for today. This is Yeji for you. So if you're interested in trading in fish, I believe it's time to visit Yeji and see things for yourself. Yes, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn notification bell so you'll be notified when new video drops. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, whatever. Yeah, it is what it is. For Shizzle Manizzle 1.